Hello friends, welcome to my channel Mixer Creations. Today in this video we are going to learn 10 important tips and tricks in MS Word. So let's start it. You can see these 10 important tips and tricks. Number 1, create drop down list in MS Word. Number 2, random text generator in MS Word. Number 3, how to enable dark mode in MS Word. Number 4, different page layout in same Word document. Number 5, how to move table row and column and also move line and paragraph in MS Word. Number 6, how to insert Excel sheet in MS Word document. Number 7, add serial number easily in MS Word. Number 8, how to insert hyperlink in MS Word document. Number 9, use of clipboard in MS Word. Number 10, use of format painter in MS Word. So let's start it one by one. How to create drop down menu in MS Word like Excel. Here I am using a table, name, department and country. I want to create drop down list for this cell. So go to file menu, click on option, then customize ribbon. Here the developer tools, click developer box, then click on OK. Now here you can see a developer menu. I want to create drop down list for this cell, so I click on this cell. Now click on developer menu. Select the drop down list, then go to properties. Now you can see choose an item. I click here, then modify it. I type here country name and OK. Then click on add. I type here country name like India and OK. Again I click add. Type another country name like UK. And I repeated this process. Finally, I click on OK. Now you can see the drop down list is created. Now I select here any item that I want. If I want to copy this same drop down list for this cell, so I double click on this drop down list and press Ctrl C for copy. Then I paste here Ctrl V. Now you can see the same drop down menu is created. So in this process you can create drop down list for any object in MS Word. Random text generator in MS Word. In case you are showing a presentation or you need some text, then you can quickly generate random text in MS Word. So here let me show you. First of all, I press equal to, type here rand, first bracket. I want to 3 paragraph with the 4 lines in each paragraph. Then close the first bracket. Then press enter on your keyboard. Now you can see it give me 3 paragraph with the 4 lines of each paragraph. So this is the process how to generate random text in MS Word. How to enable dark mode in MS Word. First of all, go to file menu, click on option. Now you can see office theme. Here already colorful is selected. Now I select here dark mode. Then click on OK. Here the dark mode is enabled. You can enable dark mode in MS PowerPoint or MS Excel in the same process. If you enable the previous setting, go to file, click on option. Now select colorful. Then OK. Now it is back to sense again. So in this process we can generate dark mode in MS Word. Different page layout in same Word document. We can create different page layout like portrait or landscape in the same Word file. Here you can see 3 pages. Now I want to create landscape on the page number 2. So I need to keep the mouse cursor end of the page number 1. Then go to page layout. Click on the page setup. Now select landscape. then apply to this point forward. Click on OK. Now you can see this is the portrait and this is the landscape. After that landscape, if I want to create a portrait, keep on mouse pointer end of that page, then again go to layout, click on page setup. Now select portrait and apply to this point forward, then OK. Here you can see this first page is portrait and the second page is landscape and the third page again portrait in the same Word document. How to move table, row and column, and also move the line and paragraph in MS Word. So generally we used cut, copy and paste for move a row or column, but in this video we are going to show a shortcut technique. So let's start it. First of all, for example, if I want to move this row on this position, simply I select this row, then hold on Shift plus Alt and press upper arrow key. Look at that, the entire row is moving in this side. Now if I want to press down arrow key, then look at that result. So does not need you copy paste or cut paste to move any row or column. On the same process you can move line or paragraph up and down. First select this line or paragraph, then hold on Shift plus Alt and press upper arrow key or down arrow key for move your line or paragraph. Now I will show how to move a column on a table. Simply I select this column, then drag and drop here. Now you can see the result, entire column is moving here. So in this process you can move row and column in MS Word anywhere. How to insert Excel sheet in MS Word? Let's see. Two easy way to insert Excel worksheet in MS document. So in this first process, go to insert menu, then click on object. Now here you can see Microsoft Excel worksheet. Then click on OK. You can see Excel sheet insert in the Word document. Here I am type text 1 and text 2, and once you done insert the data, you can simply click on outside on the area. Look at that my mouse cursor, I click outside. Now you can see Word document is embedded in Excel sheet. If I want to update any data, simply double click on this cell and you can see that it edit mode. Now I insert any data. Suppose I insert text 3. Now I click on outside. Now I want to show you second way to insert a spreadsheet in MS document. Here you can see a Excel sheet I want to put on MS Word. I close this document, then I open MS Word, then go to insert, click on object, then create from file. Now browse that Excel sheet. I select that Excel sheet. Now look at that, the Excel sheet is embedded in the Word document. Now you can change here any data. Double click on the table. Now you can see the Excel sheet is open. Now I am type a value. Then save and close this document. Now you can see even it is not changing on the Word document. So I right click on this table, then click on update link. Now you can see the value is changed. So in this process you can insert Excel sheet on Word document. How to add serial number in a table in MS Word? Here you can see a table, employee, country, salary. Now I want to need a column to insert serial number in the left. So simply I click that cell, then right click on mouse, click on insert, then insert column in the left. Now I adjust the size of that column. I have no any other option to write a number manually like Excel. In this case, you need to type one by one. Now let me show you two smart way to solve this problem. First, select the enter column, then go to the home, click on numbering. I want to type this type of number alignment, so I click on, and you can see here the number 1 to 10 just insert on a single click. So in this process, you can add serial number easily in MS Word. How to insert hyperlink in MS Word document? So let's start it. I type here the text, this is my YouTube channel, Mixer Creations. So first of all, I highlight the Mixer Creations. Now I copy my YouTube link. Then go to insert, click on hyperlink and put that URL here, then click on OK. Now you can see it create a hyperlink and it turn into a color. Now go to view and click on read mode. Now look at that, the cursor turn up hand, just click on and you can see it open a YouTube channel. Now I go back, click on view, edit document. In this mode, you right click on your mouse and click open hyperlink and you can get the similar result. Use of clipboard in MS Word. Using the clipboard, you can copy and paste multiple items in MS Word. Here you can see the clipboard option in the home menu. First of all, select the text or graphics that you want to copy, and I select this text, press Ctrl C. Then I select another text for copy and I repeated this process. Each selection appears in the clipboard with the latest at the top. Now I want to paste my copy item, so I can select here any item for paste. If you want to delete this copy file on the clipboard, click the arrow on the right side, then click on delete. If you select clear all, everything will be out on the clipboard. And this is the use of clipboard. Use of format painter in Microsoft Word. If you trying to copy the format of text to another, you can use format painter. Here I want to same format of this line, so highlight this line, then go to home tab. Now click on format painter icon. After you choose this format painter command, the mouse pointer turn into a paintbrush icon. Now I select the text that I want to same format. So you can see these two text are same format and same color. If I double click on the format painter, now I create same format of any document again and again to repeat this process. So that is the use of format painter in MS Word. Alright, this is the top 10 important tips and tricks in MS Word. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. For any confusion, please comment on this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more updates. So thank you for watching this video. See you next.